Happiness. Come.
Panic, no put your besides, nothing is actually wrong. Just calm down.
You go feel like that, don't wound yourself.
Somebody injured.
They broke this guy's head. One of them.
Bros, see the head at that end. Yeah. Keep on for ground. Easy.
Everything down. Okay, what is it before now?
I'm going to at least for here. I'll get it computer.
Okay. Yeah, it's the Hollow Chamber of the River State House of Assembly.
I think you people took when we brought him there. Huh? You had it. Okay, you have it.
I've done that.
Is it that? It's not. It's not.
The phone?
No, it's acceptance.
Voto, I don't want to go. Also, be a one.
The acceptance speech of money. What I have?
I'm going to ask you this speech. No, nothing they can say. They can say it.
Evans, come, sing. Oh, we have to sit down.
Thank you for appointing me.
No, they're not appointing you. You're thanking the reverse people. You're sorry, you're thanking the reverse people.
No, take this off first.
Who has been wrong? Hey, just come back. Mr. Speaker, are you ready?
Yes.
I should come back.
I should come back. Tuesday, say don't take
Huh?
Go ahead.
Okay.
My dear colleagues, distinguished members at the gallery, I thank you for electing me this day as the new Speaker of Rivers State House of Assembly, that I am calling on the EFCC to come and audit the Rivers State House of Assembly account And accordingly, 15 members has been suspended. The names will be given to you later. I thank my honorable colleagues and promise to work effectively with you, and that new hope in Rivers State will be restored. Leader of the House, as the #1 guinea pig, has been suspended. So I want you to join me to move Rivers State forward. The old ESCO has been pitched. New government has been restored, and this new government will effectively work with all the members and give new hope to Rivers people. Thank you very much.
Mr. Speaker!
Mr. Speaker shall rise. Thank you very much for observing me. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. You're a good man. You're a good man. You're a good man.
This one is out of.
What my name is Honorable Evans Bapakabi Nembo for the Bipi. Right Honorable. I represent the Gubolo constituency in the Rivers State Assembly. I am the new speaker, duly elected this early hour of the day. What happened was that the house reconvened. We all served a notice of meeting. We came, the house formed quorum, and I was elected the new speaker because the old speaker was impeached. I was elected the new speaker of the Rivers State Assembly. Hope was given to Rivers people by me. I delivered my speech, giving hope to Rivers people that this new ESCO, or my administration, my ESCO, will certainly work with the Rivers people. Will do what they want them to do. On their attack. On their attack. Thank you very much.
Why is the new speaker, why was the other speaker
the governor came.
Suspended? Why was he being impeached in fact?
Yes, the speaker was impeached for lack of administration. And it was not competent, vote of confidence was passed on him. And the governor came and supervised the impeachment of Otelmadan and Makri.
We see blood stains everywhere. What happened really? Was there a
Yes, governor came with his entourage. The governor after I had been sworn in, came with his entourage and beat up my colleagues. This is one of them. Look at this.
What is his name? What is his name?
His name is Honorable Kelechi. He will also tell you how it happened. His name is Honorable Kelechi Wogu. Then Honorable Shinda, Emosi Shinda was also beaten. The blood came from Honorable Shinda, Emosi Shinda. Now hospital. You also join me to go and see him in the hospital. Here is Honorable Voko. You also have.
Good morning, everybody.
Your name, sir?
My name is Honorable Inwo Victor, representing Port Harcourt 3. Well, I have to say it is a new dawn, and we're happy that the leadership of the House has been changed. So I want to say that the new speaker has emerged, and we'll work with him and we'll give him all necessary support.
I represent the good people of Omar constituency.
Were you attacked during this?
Yes, this morning the House reconvened for today, and we impeached the speaker, the former speaker, Rivers State Assembly, Oteleda Amakre, and we've elected the new speaker, Honorable Evans Babakai. He's now the new speaker of Rivers State House of Assembly, and we'll give him all support and we'll work together. there is no cause for alarm.
When you were attacked, what happened to you?
Into the chambers and fought me and tore my shirt. And well, my happiness is that the speaker has already been impeached before the governor came into the flood of the house. Thank you very much.
Which you give them logistics. Now I won't give order now.
Please, where is